Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing great. Today's video is a bit unusual. It's about a hype going around about Chat GPT. So without wasting any time, here we go. And while I will be searching, I'm gonna be telling you about how and what it is basically. The first link you're
First of
gonna
all,
be opening, it's gonna be Open AI. So open that. Once you open it, it's a program that is created by OpenAI, so that's how you're gonna find it. And now here you can simply see try Chat GPT. Just click on it. It's gonna open in another tab. So right now I'm telling you how to sign up for it. Then I'm there you. That's the right way to do it. So sign up, and here you go. So it's better to just use Google accounts because it's going to take a long time to do it from here, entering your email address and verifying it. So if you already have a Google account, you can just click on continue with Google. And then over here I have one account that I can use, so just tap on it, and then I'm gonna enter the password and then hit next. So once you done that, you're gonna get a phone one-time OTP verification. Once that enter, you're gonna be looking at this interface. This is Chat GPT, and let's see. Y'all be wondering what is Chat GPT. So what's better to just ask from the Chat GPT itself? What is Chat GPT? There you go. So ChatGPT is a large language developed by OpenAI. It is trained on a massive amount of text data and can generate human-like text response give to a given prompt. ChatGPT is designed for tasks such as conversation, language translation, and text summarization. It also it can also be fine-tuned for specific tasks or domains such as customer service, technical support. The model is basic on the ChatGPT generative pre-trained transformer architecture and is part of a ChatGPT 3 family of models. So there you have it. That's basically the perfect definition you can get from the AI. And now let's see how this can work in our daily lives or daily routine. Like I'm gonna be uh, parting this, like I'm gonna be using it like in all kind of manners, like if you're academic, required academically, or if you're a coder, or like also in aspect of law and reforms, how it can help you guys. So for top 10 movies of all time. So this is this is an example of like a random search that you guys do on Google, and how this can change the way you search. It's literally just no ads, no nothing. You just don't have to click on tabs. It's just right there in front of you by just typing it. So let's move on to academic, how it can help you. So let's say write an essay about tiger. Then let's say 100 words, right? So one more thing, keep in mind, when using the Chat GPT, the better the prompt you have, the better the result you will get. And you can use it, but the thing is nowadays there are AI detectors that can use to detect if it's written by AI. And you can rephrase or paraphrase it, and it's gonna be good for you guys. But there you have it, the like within a second. And for humans also, it takes time to think about it, research and everything. It just literally did it for you. And this is like example. And let's say we have some kind of equation, math equation. Just do the simple. What is 2 + 2? 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. 2 + 2 = 4. equal 4. You see? And it's just a basic example. You can do the mathematics, anything you can do, think of academically, research, everything. It can also cite it for you, the papers you're doing, or you want to search some about something, you can do it. Now let's move on to the programming, how coders can can avail the benefit from it. You are starting, you're a beginner, and you just want to know, okay, so write a code of a calculator later in Python. Here's a simple, there you go. So I mean, with ChatGPT, it's all honestly, sky's the limit. Like anything you can think of. Oh my god, you can see here, write a code of calculator in Python, and you be like searching if it was a Google, like literally searching it, just like, don't worry, I got you, bro. And it's literally doing it like as we speak. Anything, like it's a basic, and then even the oh wow, even the instructions. You see that? Okay, so we did a random research, academic wise, as a programming aspect, and now we are moving toward business ideas. You see, if what other things? It's just a lot of examples. So let's say business ideas. Okay, so I have, let's write some random question. Like if we are having a conversation with our friend, I have $10,000. What business lol, I don't know the spellings of business. What business should I do? I do. You see, like, to be precise, I have two key points. I have $10,000, and what business I do. That's just a basic example that you can ask, and it takes time even for Google to search it, and you have to go through all that hassle, the ads and everything that can distract you from your search, and it's literally doing it for you. There are many type of business you can start with $10,000, and the best choice, there you have it. Like if you ask for like any idea, you can, I don't know, like anything you can, it's just the example that you can do. And the last but not the least, let's say you don't want to hire a lawyer, right? It's better to have it, because sometimes as in its ChatGPT description, you have to go through some kind of you know, issues sometimes. So but it's better to have some kind of person that already expert in laws and everything, that knows law, because it's better. So let me see, like I want to rent my house, right? It's a first sentence. Like you can write it as much as like the better, again I said it, but the better prompt you have, the better. It's like, I want to rent my house. Write write me a agreement with write an agreement. Let me just correct. Write an agreement of 1 year. It's a sample, you see. Wow, I mean, what can I say? Like honestly, you can see it, it's like, oh wow. Okay, so let's read rental agreement. The agreement made and entered into this day, there, blah blah blah, by and between you. Notice how it's 20. It's because it's limited to 2021. It's, and so you can just alter it. and then premises terms, and tenant shall pay landlord this sum of money, security deposits. I'm just gonna read the key points that must be in an agreement, a proper agreement. Premises terms, rent, security deposit, utilities, maintenance and repairs, alteration, insurances. Oh wow, quiet enjoyment, landlord. Even I didn't know like these kind of things exist. To be honest, assignment, governing laws according to your stay. There you go. It would have cost you a couple of dollars to just get it from the lawyer, but now you also getting some kind of knowledge by doing this, and saving money. I'm the way I'm like literally amazed right now. Even though I've been through all that before, I've been using it for a while now, but it's amazing. You see that? So there you have it, guys. Like we just started with what? Like literally, it was a continuous for a random thing. For every random thing, you have to go to the Google and do it by yourself. But it's just like we started. Um, about the random thing, like if I like the movie, give me about something about movies. Then essay, academic wise, we covered aspect. Mathematically, it's a just basic mathematics. Then the like little bit more, we move toward little bit more complex situations, Python, like coding, then business ideas, and then to law informed. Like literally, these are the things that I thought it's better to just go through it to tell you guys what basically it is, because a lot of guys, you just get panic and you don't want to know, like it's the information is everywhere. So this is the simplest it can get. And guys, please subscribe, and let's reach 1,000 subscriber by the end of this month. I know it's a lot to ask, but come on guys. uh, if you think I'm doing a good job, and if any recommendation you want to put in, please let me know. Love you guys, and let me know if you uh, want me to go in detail for everything that we have discussed. Like for example, in a coding aspect, or like yeah, in terms of law, other kind of agreements you want me to write, or more tutorials on ChatGPT in show. So do let me know, guys, and I will be doing it for you. And another around before the end of this month, there's gonna be another surprising unboxing with an amazing story. So don't forget to follow and subscribe and keep in tune. And hope to see you guys in next video. For till then, goodbye and take care of self and your loved ones.